you can see that behind me, that house is no longer floating in thin air. So let's have a look around the job site today and see what the heck is going on. First thing we can look at is we have got the excavation contractor here. We're working with Christensen on this project. We love working with those guys, and we've worked with them plenty of times in the past. They're working with our carpentry crew to get the concrete out of the basement. We'll go in there and have a look in a moment. All of the material that is coming out of there is whoop, make you dizzy, going into dump trucks that load up over there. We now have the house sitting on top of the new pony walls that we created, and we've got some shoring posts here to just keep up the middle of the house in the interim. So that's going well, looking good, happy about that. We have used machines and done as much as we can with machines to reduce costs for the client. So you can see how much of the slab has already been removed from this basement. And most importantly, this basement now has 8-foot tall ceilings, which is incredibly exciting. You can see that those stairs right there are floating about 2 feet in the air. Exactly how much we raised this house up by. So one of the things that I noticed when I was walking around this morning was that there's this copper pipe in the slab here, and you can see that that carries through here. If you are buying a home, this is something that you want to look for if you can find it. You want to be looking for these small copper pipes. This is indicative that there is or was an oil tank on the property, and that is something that you want to be very wary of. It's not necessarily an end of the world scenario, but you definitely want to know what's going on with that and know that that's been properly dealt with when the tank was decommissioned. It's not quite 1/2 inch and it's not 1/4 inch. It's, I guess maybe it's 3/8, but that's what the pipe looks like. And then you can see the trench in the ground here. We just had the excavation contractor here dig a small little hole just to make sure that there is no tank here. We want to make sure that we're not leaving anything behind that is going to cause this owner and future owners any headaches. So looks like this was properly decommissioned, and we can continue to make this house amazing. We've got this old concrete drain tile that needs to get removed. We're planning on doing that anyways, but if you have that as your drain tile, you know you have problems, because that's not a function of if it's gonna fail, it's a function of when. It breaks down, it stops working. It was a workable solution, but it's certainly not a solution that lasts a long time. The boys are just working on getting the remaining pony wall area sheeted. We will continue to keep you updated, so stay tuned. Thanks for checking in. Let me know if you prefer this selfie mode versus doing it via tripod and wandering around like that. Let me know if you have any questions or you want to know about what we do, how we do things. Love to hear from you. Have a great day. Stay awesome. Thanks for watching.